Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my November or all the projects that I created with my November Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. If you're ever interested in what this kit club is, you can always check out the link in the description below. And the first four I will be kind of just skimming over because I already have process videos for each one. The first four are my assignments as a design team member, and then the four are my extra projects because I have some leftover products, and so I always like to use them up as much as I can before I move on to the next month. So this one was my first one, and this one was based off of the sketch for the month of November. If you like to play with challenges, the Scrap Room Kid Club has two. Well, they have more than two, but their biggest ones are the Freaky Fast Friday and then the sketch, and anybody can participate in those challenges. So this one is my assignment for the sketch, and this one has a process video. This one is my assignment for the recipe. If you are a scrapper that likes to just scrap lift, the recipes that the Scrap Room Kit Club gives out is also a good thing because you create a double page layout, and each designer already tells you what papers to cut and what sizes and kind of the direction on how to put together the layout, so it'll be easy for you to scrap lift the layout that we present. So this one was for my recipe assignment, and then this one was my assignment to show off the Echo Park collection. I love that this specific mini collection came with a whole 12 by 12 cardstock sheet, a sticker sheet I should say, so I was able to just use the stickers as my embellishments for this particular layout. And then this one, I believe this one was Pebbles. Or yeah, I think it was a pebble slime, and it's really cute, and I love the die cuts that it came with. This also has a process video. So now for my four projects, my extra ones, I created some cards with the Pebbles line. And as you can see, they have pretty much the same sketch, or I follow the same format. And then I just played around with the die cuts that came with the embellishment kit. And then I also just added some Nouveau drops from my own stash for these particular cards. Let me do a close-up so you can see. And if you're ever interested in what they look like just as a photo, you can always check out my blog, which I usually post all of my projects there as well, and the link will be in the description below. Now this one features the Heidi Swap papers, but it also features some of the die cuts from the embellishment kit or embellishment add-on I should say, and also the washi that came in the add-on. This is also a washi tape, by the way, because I've run out of papers, and so I just used the washi. Now this one is another layout that I created with my scraps. With this one, as you can see, I have a paper here that has a lot of flowers, and so I cut that up and I just layered them over here to kind of add some design, and I added them kind of staggeredly so that they would just look like a big bouquet of flowers. And this really cute foil foam letter is from the embellishment add-on. And then this one finally is a double page layout that I created with the Echo Park fall line. And this one, I didn't submit this as my layout assignment because I used a different sketch for this, not a Scrap Room Kit Club sketch. However, I wanted to show you that you can use some scraps and create a double page layout, that even if you only have scraps, you can still create a very good, well-designed scrapbook, two-page scrapbook layout. And again, I use some of the letters from the embellishment add-on and then the stickers from the sticker sheet that came with the mini kit. So those are my share to this month. If you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up. And if you ever are interested in knowing what the Scrap Room Kit Club is all about and what kinds of kits that they offer, make sure that you check out the link below because they will all be there. And I will catch you guys another day. Bye.